In this short video, you will learn the proper procedure for attaching and detaching the Boss Drag Pro plow to your truck. To attach the Boss Drag Pro, make sure the truck is running and that the controller is turned on. Line up the vehicle with the snowplow and slowly drive backwards until you are close enough to connect the plow wire harness and power ground cable to the vehicle wire harness. Remove the electrical plug dust covers and connect the plow wire harness and power ground cable to the vehicle wire harness. Use the coupler switch to raise or lower the plow to the desired height, then slowly drive backwards until the attachment arms contact the undercarriage pin. Slide the attachment pins through the holes in the attachment arms and the undercarriage and secure them with a linchpin. To detach the Boss Drag Pro, make sure the vehicle is running and the controller is turned on. Ensure that the plow wings are retracted and lower the blade completely to the ground. The plow is heavy and could fall and crush the operator or damage the plow if the wings are not retracted before removal. Remove the linchpins and attachment pins from the attachment arms and the undercarriage. Disconnect the power ground and plow wire harness and slowly drive forward. Turn off the plow controller.